guys, I have myself a Mythical Meloetta box with a badge in it there and like 2 packs and a card. If I'm pointing out right. Let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Oops, I nearly ripped her thing. It's crumpled up. Yeah, a crumpled up piece of paper. What are they like that? You see, I'm wearing all my badges, which I have. And I'm going to put that one there. We'll put that one. So, Meloetta. Da. I forgot about this. Actually, drop that one. Just open this, and I forgot about that. Just open it. You got a Pikachu. It's freaking funny. Does that have any things? Okay, so this is what the energy is. I'm gonna guess the energy is fire. What? I went too far. Let's have a look what the energy was anyway. Was it fire? Was the energy fire? Let me have a look. So we have a Mega Blastoise, which is cool. Charmeleon. Oops. The Mega Blastoise has 220 HP and 180 attack. And next is Team Flare Grunt, Mr. Mime, Geodude, Dark Energy, I guessed fire so I didn't get it right. I've got a Krabby, I've got a Caterpie, I've got a Golem. I think I've seen another shiny than just this. I think I've got another shiny. Aww, Flareon EX. I've got a Flareon EX and a Mega Blastoise EX. One's EV evolutions of fire, so they're both equal on attack. Well, they should be, I think. Well, they're both equal if like it's a online, like, let's have a look at the weakness. So this has a weakness of water. This has a weakness of grass. This has the weakness. I got that one. This has the weakness of grass. Ooh. This has no resistance. Strange. Let me have a look at the other one. They both have no resistance. Shameful. So they don't like minus 20 attack. Let's have a look at this dude. Ooh. Weakness, grass. Just move those to one side. Still love those 2 EXs. Into the 2 EXs. Can't get them out. Can't get them personally out. What are you seeing on the table? Wait, I forgot if I had to look at those. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna guess a electric energy. Oh, I forgot on these packs it didn't start with energies. Hitmonlee. Charmeleon again. That's strange. Clemont. Trainer. Shorna. Shelder. It had a metal energy, so I didn't get right. I have a Slowpoke. Magmar. Looks cool. Oh, shiny energy. Electric. What's next? Throw lath, which looks cool. It's got that little thing at the bottom. I think it's hollow. I'm not sure if it's reverse hollow or hollow. I'm so confused. So best. These two are the normal best. These two are EX's best. These two are EX's best. Where's it gone? And this... Oh, I got the wrong one. Got the wrong one. Give me that one. Get that. And these two are the same. Because they both came in with the box. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.